Hi everyone! We will be now unboxing the portable electric oven that I've ordered in Lazada. This is a very affordable electric oven I've found online so far. I was very excited and couldn't wait to receive this parcel. I've included some pans to use in baking that suits the oven. They are also very affordable. Here it is that we've been waiting for. The package was very secure. It was covered with triple bubble wrap for its security, and it is very sealed. Let's open it now. I chose the color blue, and it was very cute. There are inclusions such as the adapter for the socket, pans, and a handle once the pans are hot inside the oven. We will be testing out the oven now to make sure that it is functioning excellently and no issues at all. This is the indication that it is on. And you will see inside that there's a light as well. This generates the heat for the oven. Now let's try to make a pizza as a test. As you can see, the pizza was cooked, baked really well. And it was delicious.